Hello all, back again to show you one more beautiful collection soft pattu sarees andi. Saree color combination vachesi sweet pink with royal blue combination tho team up chesarandi. Saree all over beautiful zari weaving bunches toti run avutundi. Floral zari weaving bunches toti. Highlight of the saree both sides simple weaving border ichcharandi. This is the pallu part. Rich weaving pallu ichesaru and contrast blouse with same border. Fabric aithe too soft and lightweight untundandi.